One minute your car is running perfectly fine, and the next, that annoying orange light on your dashboard is staring back at you with a P0044 code. This one is specifically talking about the HEC O2S heater control circuit high for bank 1, sensor 3 diode. I know that sounds like a lot of technical jargon, but let's break it down simply. Your oxygen sensors need to be really hot to work correctly, and in the old days, they had to wait for the exhaust gases to warm them up. Nowadays, they have internal heating elements so they can start working almost immediately after you turn the key. This helps your car get into what we call closed-loop mode faster, which is where it runs at its most efficient. The P0044 code means the computer has detected that the voltage on the heater circuit for the third sensor on bank 1 is higher than it should be. This usually points to a problem with the wiring or the sensor itself rather than the actual engine health. Since sensor 3 is located way down the exhaust pipe, past the catalytic converter, its main job is to watch how well that converter is cleaning up your exhaust. To fix this, you should start under the car. Look at the wiring harness for that third sensor and see if it has been burned by the hot exhaust pipe or if the wires have become brittle and snapped. It is very common for the wires to get caught on road debris or melt against the heat shielding. If the wiring looks perfect, you will need a multimeter to check for 12-volt power at the plug when the key is on. If you have power and a good ground, then the heating element inside the oxygen sensor has probably failed and gone open circuit. Replacing the sensor is usually the direct fix here, but make sure you are looking at the right one because bank 1 sensor 3 is pretty far back. While this code might not make your car break down on the side of the road, ignoring it will eventually hurt your fuel economy and might even cause issues with your emissions test because the system can't accurately monitor the catalytic converter if the sensor heater is not working right.